Welcome to this instructional tutorial and review of the Sunbeam digital alarm clock. To set the time, press and hold down the time button, and at the same time press the hour button until the desired hour is selected. To set the minute, press and hold down the time button and press the minute button to select the desired minute. And when PM lights up, it means that the time is PM. So as you're setting it, you're going to see a light there indicating if it's PM. Like so. To set the alarm, press and hold down the alarm button. To set the hour, press the hour button to select the desired hour. To set the minute, press and hold down the alarm button and press the minute button to set the desired minute. Turn the alarm off by switching it to off, and turn the alarm on by switching it to alarm. It also has a backup battery in case there's no power going to the alarm clock. It uses a 9-volt battery. Okay, so I'm going to run the alarm. Okay, so there you go. This was an instructional tutorial and review of the Sunbeam Model 88717 digital alarm clock. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.